Welcome, Edward Ciggaar. You are a developer advocate at IBM. What is a developer advocate?
It's a good question.
What do you think it is?
Yeah, that's a good question. No, what it is that basically my day-to-day job role is to enthuse developers to work with our cloud platform and within our cloud platform with the latest technologies. So what I do from day to day is talk with developers, do sessions like this, do hackathons, workshops, and basically talking about our cloud platform, and then in particular within that cloud platform on topics like Watson's or cognitive solutions, but also blockchain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is your background also in development?
Yes, my background is I started within IBM '98, so quite some time ago, and I started as developer.
Mm-hmm.
Spent quite some years developing in Java for customers, and then I went on to a role more like this developer advocate role. So
what is it that attracts you in being an advocate?
really, making developers enthusiastic about our products and explaining them how our technology can be applied. So that's the thing I like most about it. So really making people, also during hackathons, making people really work with our products and making them happy about using our products. That's what I like most. So
Okay.
explaining how it works, what it is.
What is it in particular that you like about blockchain as a technology?
Well, the thing what I like about blockchain is it's disrupting. So it's people. There's a lot of buzz around it and a lot of interest from the market. So I thought, well, okay, what is it? When it's and then it appeared that also within our cloud platforms, IBM itself. So late 2015. Hyperledger project started. IBM is contributing a lot in there,
Mm-hmm.
and then it also became one of the services within our cloud platform, and very basic actually because it's one of those services within our platform, and you see the interest from the market. And I'm talking from day to day to developers about this platform. I must know about this blockchain service. So. I dove into it and I thought, well, this is interesting, and this can be very, can give very nice use cases and implementations that can improve the overall end product, so to say. So
what kinds of use cases
what
are
I-
of interest to you?
yeah, what I like most, what I think are very interesting use cases is also the one, and not the one in particular that I just demoed, but the concept, and that's the concept around Internet of Things and blockchain, for example, because a logic implementation would be, and that's also what we do a lot, is looking, okay, and combining it with financial services, and then in that kind of areas, that's a very obvious and a very natural first exploration, of course, but also everything that is related to a chain, and where you've got multiple parties involved and linking a lot of data and devices together, and what blockchain can do for that's very interesting. And I just, during the session, I wanted to explain, okay, how can you then use the platform that we have, the tools that we have within there to really get that data from the devices to our IoT platform, where you can manage the devices, but then also to the blockchain.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what those kind of concepts, so the ones that discuss the whole chain, supply chain, food chain, whatever you like, in combination with IoT. That's what I like most.
Okay. Why is IBM a partner for the Dutch Blockchain Hackathon?
Because the reason why we are a partner is, I just mentioned it already, is we are a very big contributor to the Hyperledger project. That's one of the Hyperledger fabrics. So this is a large, in the Benelux, a large hackathon, so a large community all around blockchain. So I think it's an obvious choice then to be a technical partner there and helping out the community with what we have to offer on the area of blockchain.
Okay. What kinds of tools are available to the participants of the Blockchain Hackathon? What does IBM
The tools that are available to them are IBM Bluemix, our cloud platform. They can sign up for free. They can sign up, get an account, and start using the platform. And within that platform, they have access to a whole catalog of services. And one of those services is the blockchain service. Click on create, and within a couple of seconds, you've got an instance of your blockchain network available and ready for you to use during the hackathon as a Hyperledger Fabric. So that's one. And of course, all the other services in that catalog you can also use, and I leave that then to the creativity of the teams that, okay, what combination do they want to use? Do they want to also include cognitive APIs and start using those and see what they can do with that? Because that would be really interesting to see. Databases, and so the traditional databases, and make combinations with those databases and blockchain technology. Of course, the IT platform. So that's all available to them. Plus the support of the people like me, other developer advocates that will be present during the weekend as well to support the teams and get the most out of their time for the hackathon.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.